Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Monday. It's the 1st of February. Can you actually believe it? Now, before I start, what I also need to say is good morning to a few ex-pupils, because apparently, so I hear, we've got a few year 7s and 8s tuning in to my assemblies now because they miss us and they want to know what's happening at Castle Hill. So, morning, welcome. Love having you listening to us on YouTube, so enjoy. So we're going to do Star of the Week as we normally do on a Monday. But before we do that, I've got to tell you that I'm celebrating this morning. I'm celebrating because I guessed Lenny Henry on The Masked Singer. I don't know if anyone else got it. It's a kind of become a bit of a strange lockdown obsession for me, guessing who they are. But I got one of them. That's the second one I've guessed right now. So I reckon I'm doing quite well this year. But we move on because we're celebrating you, not me really. So we're going to start, as always, with merit certificates. And remember, if you're not here and you've earned a merit certificate, it will come out in the post to you. So we've got 100 merits for Tian Tordesilla. Well done, Tian. We've got 100 for Natalie Lazelle-Alphas. We've got 100 for Tristan Sambucci. A very impressive 200 for Christian Rimmons. We've got 100 again for Oliver Brooke. We've got 100 for Teddy Blanche. We've got 200, very impressive, to William Burnett. 200 to Jack Moon. And 100 to Jack Smith. So really, really well done to all of those people. It's amazing that you're working so hard and still getting merits. Keep it going. Well done. I've also got 2 more for Starbooks. It's a bit tougher for Starbooks when you're not in school, but keep up the reading if you're not. But Starbooks we've got this week is Tia Otasajo and Melanie Viles. So really well done. If you're doing very little else at home, read books. I hope you'll do more than that. But keep reading books, really important. And then we go on to our stars of the week. Now we've got a really, really good mix of home learning and learning in school at the moment, which we're very impressed with. Once again, I can say you are working brilliantly at home and the use of Seesaw is amazing. One of my favourite points of the day is I spend at least half an hour every day just looking through different bits of work that children have put on. I love seeing the videos and the pictures and all the work that you're doing. It's amazing. And I like spending a little time reading a few bits. And if you might notice, just from time to time, I'll put a like on your work because I can see how hard you've worked. And some of you, it's just brilliant. I am so proud of you and I am so impressed. So keep it going. And I know this week now, we've got year 3 and 4. Well, they've done a week. And now we've got the younger children, year 1 and 2, coming on to Seesaw as well. So please use it. And remember, if you're struggling with the IT and you haven't got a good tablet or laptop, come and ask us. We've still got some spare. So, home learning. And I'm going to start off with reception class today. Really pleased with both of these because both of these are home learning stars. And it says in Capel class, for going above and beyond every week, completing all of the work that we've set and doing more. We love everything he does. I mean, that is amazing. And the star certificate, so you'll be getting one of these, goes to Ralph Belsey. Well done, Ralph. We miss you in school, but I'm so glad you're doing all that hard work. Well done. And then in Hawkins class, we've got for doing a great job with learning at home. We especially love the video he made of home counting. So well done. And that goes to Mason Martin. So a certificate will be coming to you as well, Mason. Well done. I'm so pleased you're keeping up with it at home. And to year 1, to Dymchurch class, for brilliant contributions in class discussions all week. And that goes to Izzy Walters. Well done, Izzy. And in Hythe class, we've got for consistently superb reading skills at home and at school. And that goes to Georgie Hager. And it's lovely to see, Georgie, that you're in school, but also you're still carrying on that reading at home. So well done. And to year 2, we've got in Chilham class, engaging in lots of home learning and producing fantastic work in all subjects, but especially writing an excellent nonsense poem. So really well done. And that goes to Pearlie Harris. Pearlie, you have been doing brilliant work. Keep it up. We love seeing all your work. And in Wingham class, we've got for an amazing week with lots of lovely learning and lovely behaviour. We're very proud of you, and that goes to Autumn Burns. So well done, Autumn. And to year 3, Dungeness class, for doing lots of brilliant learning at home. And I would agree with this one. I've seen loads, and they were the first ones to send me back my picture from the picture quiz. And that goes to Sophia Rose Hogben. Well done. And in Woodchurch class, great effort with home learning on Seesaw. And I had a look at this, and there was tons and tons of work coming through. We were really impressed with that. And that's Renee Atigbo. So well done, Renee. Your mum's doing a brilliant job with you. Keep it up, mum, as well. Keep up that learning. Fantastic. And then on to year 4. And year 4 do a home star and a school star. Home star, great effort with home learning on Seesaw. And real perseverance and producing some fantastic work. I'm really pleased to see this one. It's Archie Palmer Wood. Well done, Archie. I'm very, very impressed. Keep up the work. And then we've got in school, amazing maths work. Perseverance to understand division. And you know how hard division can be when you first start. So well done. And that's Skylar Faye Price. Well done. And to year 5, we're going to go with a school learner, and it says diligence in all areas of working in school at all times, and could be our star of the week every week. I mean, what a lovely thing to say. And that is Clay Freed. Well done, Clay. And then for a home learning one, we've got excellence in all areas of his learning at home. And I've seen a lot of this. He is working really hard, and there's some lovely videos on there. And that goes to Elliot Pepper. Well done, Elliot. Great work. And to year 6. Year 6, we've got this one, very impressive. For hitting over 40 posts and comments in 5 days on Seesaw. And she does a huge amount of work on there, which is lovely. And that's Layla Collins. So well done, Layla. Amazing to see all your work on there. And then we've also got a school one for showing persistence whilst producing a Ghosts and Ghouls encyclopedia. Year 6 are doing some work on ghosts and ghouls and spooks. And that goes to Kira Tassel. Well done, Kira. You've been working really hard in school, and we're very proud of you. Good work. I'm also pleased to say that Margate class are now back in the stars as well. And we've got that your star, he is working really hard on his writing and always has determination to try his best. And that goes to Brandon McCall. So well done, Brandon. Excellent. We're also doing attendance still. We're doing Zoom attendance. Now, I was a bit disappointed this week, because Zooms are important, because your teachers like to see you. It's a good chance to see everybody else in your class. Attendance has dropped a little bit. So I would like this week to see Zoom attendance go back up, please. I know you can do it. So the class with the best Zoom attendance is... It's year 5 again. Well done, year 5. You are our Zoom champions by quite a long way this week. So come on, the rest of you. Make sure you're on the Zooms this week. We want to see you, and we want to know how you are, and we want to know what's going on with you. So please don't forget your Zooms. Your parents get an email the day before with the link. Just follow that. Any problems with anything technical, let us know, and we can help you. And that's pretty much it, really. I don't know about you, but in school, everyone went a bit mad for the yes-no game or the questions game. We had a really good time last week. Some of the children were brilliant at it and some of them were terrible. I won't mention names, but there's one person, we had about 20 goes and I could catch them out every time within about 3 questions. And Mr. Ward hasn't quite recovered from having to say that he loved Michael Morpurgo, but he'll get over it in the end. So well done, everybody. Keep up the brilliant work. I want even more this week. Seesaw, Purple Mash, bring it in on paper. Anything you want, we want to see. We're going to be in this position for a little while longer, so keep working. Well done, everybody. Have a fantastic week. Things are slowly getting better, and I really hope to see you all soon. Take care now. Bye.